hold every time. Buy, hold, buy and hold. Here you'd have got your trade, you buy, you hold. And maybe here you've gotten your trade, you buy, you hold. When you are in a loss, but still you know the direction. So here you use a small lot size. You buy, you hold. Okay. Buy, you hold. Even here, you buy, you hold. All these trades you are buying and holding for a reason. When it goes down, every time it goes down, you draw a trend line, you connect the wicks. Remember that you are connecting the wicks. So just buying and holding. There's nothing here, there's nothing here, there's nothing here. There's nothing here. Unless if I force it, then I'll have that. So here I'll buy and hold. And then market played around, I see nothing. Here I see something. Drag. 1, 2, always at 3. Second candlestick after the breakout, you buy, you hold. Same thing over and over. So if you wanted to, you would have hold. Normally what I always say is you buy, you take profit this day. But you know that your direction is up. So you have all these trades here, targeting that area. And what I liked is that the last time I checked, it was aligning with order blocks, all those things. All those things aligning with order blocks, all of it. All of it, it's aligning with order blocks. Let me see. Maybe here there's a gap, just that I'm on H4, but find there's an order block here. That's why the market came back. It's aligning with your last keys. You buy, you hold. You can see there's an order block here. But obviously you're going to refine it on a smaller time frame and you're going to have something like that. If you want to, you can take profit there on top, take profit here on top, take profit there on top, take profit there. If you buy here, take profit. Buy here, take profit. Buy here, take profit. What's happening? Okay.